Jai Srimannarayana. Second sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mayyavesya mano ye mam nityayukta upasate श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः। ॐ You should eagerly and enthusiastically strive to serve Sri Krishna Paramatma. You should totally absorb into Sri Krishna Paramatma with your mind and heart. Then Krishna Paramatma definitely considers you as the best. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall enthusiastically and eagerly strive to serve you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall absorb myself into you with complete dedication and with my heart and mind. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry anymore. Krishna, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धं 10th स्कन्धं 209th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama has seen that all the cows expressing unlimited happiness to see their baby cows, all the elderly Gopalas expressing their enthusiasm and excitement and unlimited happiness while seeing their sons, boys. Vikshya outkantyam anukshanam ahetuvit achintayat. after seeing that Balarama could not realize, could not understand what is the reason behind it. Kimetat adbhutam iva vasudeve akhilatmani. What a great surprise, what a great wonder. How come this much of affection is poured by elderly gopalas and cows on their babies? హరితొల్లి మన్నించునట్లు వీరు మన్నించుచున్నారు మమత చేయుచు ప్రీతిన్ అంబుజాక్షుని కన్నట్లు. Earlier, all these elderly gopalas used to show so much of affection, pour so much of affection, love on Krishna. Just like that, now they are showing the same amount of affection and love on these boys. Not only that, not only to the elderly gopalas, not only to the cows, but also I am also feeling the same amount of great amount of love and affection towards all these boys and baby cows. Definitely this is Idi Mahadbhutamandu Nerugaradu. This is definitely a great wonder. It has not happened like this earlier. Never happened like this. Keyam va kuta ayata daivi va nari vuta asuri. This may be some magic going on. From where this magic is coming? Is this magic done by devatas or manavas or rakshasas or vibhumayaka ganopu? Maybe my master Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Krishna Paramatma is doing this maya. Definitely this may be my Swami, my Mahavishnu, my Sri Krishna's maya. Like that, Balarama is coming to a conclusion. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్ భగవద్గీత 12వ అధ్యాయము 2వ శ్లోకము. మయ్యావేశ్య మనో యే మాం నిత్యయుక్తా ఉపాసతే శ్రద్ధయా పరయోపేతాః తే మే యుక్తతమా మతాః. మయ్యావేశ్య మనో యే మాం నిత్యయుక్తా ఉపాసతే శ్రద్ధయా పరయోపేతాః తే మే యుక్తతమా మతాః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.